Hello and welcome to our tutorial. In this video, you will see how to set up a tree map. The tree map is useful to visualize data in nested rectangles that are called tiles. The size of each tile is proportional to the value it represents. They are sorted in an order of decreasing values. To add a tree map, click on the tree map icon. The data setting has two main items, values and arguments. In a tree map, the data is displayed as nested rectangles with the size and position depending on the numerical value being displayed. For example, I want to have a representation of my sales by sales representatives. I drag and drop my sales amount field in values and my sales representatives in arguments. Now we have nested rectangles for each sales representative. We can have multiple views of the tree map with the same arguments. To do it, drag another field in the values zone. Here we drag the quantity. We have a new view on the same tree map. We can switch between the sales amount and quantity. You can add several dimensions in the argument section. For example, we add the product type. By default, the tree map will visualize all combinations of sales representatives and corresponding product types using individual tiles. You can group child tiles by values of the parent dimension. To group product types inside corresponding sales representatives, click the option button next to Sales Representative and select Group Tiles. Product types tiles will be grouped into sales representative groups. We can configure our tree map by clicking on the cogwheel and make some changes in the Layout tab. We can change the title and the name of the values. We can change the arrangement of the tiles and also the direction. It's always from the biggest to the smallest value. For example, if we select top right bottom left, the biggest value will be in the top right corner and the smallest value in the bottom left corner. We can see that it is GB Pack that sells the most. We can change the tile and group labels and also configure what we can see in tooltips. Here we will display arguments and values. We can see for each tile the amount sold. We do the same for the group tiles. At last, we can edit colors. When you edit colors, you have to select your scheme. Here's Sales Representative, then you can change your colors. Thank you for watching this video. To learn more about all the available functionalities, refer to the online documentation.